7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, it's you crazy mother.
Hey loves, so welcome back to Bama Cafe, and today we're going to be making cheesy bread. It kind of looks like loaf bread, but it's got cheese, it's got onion powder, garlic powder. It's just delicious. So let's go ahead and talk about what you're going to need to make this bread. You're going to need milk, egg, flour, cornmeal, butter, cheese, cheddar cheese if you can, or any kind of cheese that you like, but I like to use the Monterey Jack cheese. You're going to need some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and you're going to need some sugar, honey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my cup of milk and my butter and put it on the stove, and I want it to come up to between 120 and 130. While that is going, while I got that set up, I'm going to come back and show y'all how to start the bread. So I'll see you guys back here in a second. Alright guys, so we're back, and we're going to start off with a cup and a half of flour, because that's how the recipe calls it. We're going to go ahead and add in all the spices, which is the garlic powder, the onion powder, and salt and pepper. We're going to add in some sugar. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our dry active yeast, which I thought, let me open that over the bowl. Ooh. Which I thought I had some scissors. And we're going to be using a dough hook. Alright. So we got that all in there. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in our milk and butter. Y'all, I didn't touch the dough hook right. Wow, okay. Jump, jump, jump to it. We're gonna go ahead and crack that egg. Go ahead and pour that egg in there. Jump, jump, jump to it, jump, jump, jump to it. Y'all, I've been listening to Aretha. Aretha had me in my feelings, y'all. She be talking to you. Living in a world of ghetto lights, everyone seems so uptight. Nothing's wrong, nothing's right. My man. Yeah, that's my song. Ooh, I like the way we carry on. Y'all don't know nothing about that Aretha Franklin, honey? That's Aretha Franklin who sang the original. I can't remember the name of that girl's group, but they remade the song. And for a long time, I was like, ooh, they sang the hell out of that song. And then when I hit about 18 to 19, I realized that the original singer, honey, was Aretha. Honey, that's the Aretha song. Sure is. Ooh, it smells so good with the onion powder and the garlic powder. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add the rest of add that cheese, the cornmeal, and the rest of that flour. And we're going to let it mix, come together. I like the way we carry on this love. I don't know, I love some, I like old school music, you know what I'm saying? Don't judge me. I'm an 80s baby. I'm giving him something that he can time, I'm gonna come back, get everything cleaned off, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to, you know, get this bread ready to go on the pan. So we are back, and we're gonna go ahead and we're going to butter up our pan. And if you don't have this size bread pan, you can use the traditional size that you find, like the glass ones. But I just like this one for some reason. I like how the bread just seems to cook evenly to me. And I don't get that little burn on the bottom when I use this pan. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you butter your pan. Butter it good, honey. I measured my milk, y'all. I did everything, but I feel like it was real too hot. So hopefully that don't affect the outcome. So what you want to do is you want to take your cornmeal and kind of like you do a cake, but instead you're going to use cornmeal. And I just let this go on the counter. You know, counter's clean. Kind of just move any excess out of there. I also like to take a little bit and rub it on my hand so that the bread does not stick to my hand. And just make sure I get all of it off the dough, off the hook. I kind of just press my bread out in the pan. Because you don't want to knead this bread. This is not the kind of bread that you need. Now if you really want to kick this bread up, you can chop up some onion. I've seen people put onion. What else? I cannot find my dough scraper, y'all. What else have I seen? People use onion. Bell peppers, cheese. You can even, well, you have to use cheese, but you can even put, what is it called? Pepperoni in here. Some people put pepperoni in there. It's all up to you, honey. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this sit for 20 to 25 minutes, and it's going to double in size. And then we're going to place it in the oven at 350. Y'all, it's real crazy up in here today. For one, I lost my earring down the sink and maintenance had to come. Two, I have a cake in the oven that we are doing for another video. It is cray up in here, and I'm trying to decide if I'm going to do a third video on how I make my lemon chicken. So we're going to see what happens, y'all. But it's real crazy trying to shoot video and get ready for company. But these are some good recipes, so I just had to go ahead and get them recorded. Plus, this helps me to get my, my recording game up. So y'all work with me. I'm feeling like my old self. I haven't felt like I've taken in like 4 months since the surgery. I'm really starting to feel like myself, so I'm back. Ooh, look at the girls. Ooh, look at the girls. They look good. Ooh. Let me go. Alright, love. So we are back. The bread has arisen, and it is double in size, as you guys can see on the side cam. Hold it up so you guys can see it from the front, but the bread is risen. So you want to go ahead at this point and make sure your oven is nice and hot at 350. And you want to pop this sucker in. All the details for this video will be down below in the description box. And why don't you go ahead and subscribe and share this video with your people? Especially if you know your homegirl can cook. You know what I'm saying? If you're trying to learn how to cook and help all your homies out so they can get the girl, then send them this way. So we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven, and I'll see you guys as soon as it gets done. Alright, love. So we have gotten our bread out of the oven. It's cool. Look at that. It's still hot, but it's definitely done. So I'm going to take a serrated knife, and we're going to just cut a slice off. I love this bread. It's so delicious, y'all. It smells delicious. I usually don't eat the corner pieces of bread, but this right here is so good that you cannot help but eat the whole thing. I shouldn't have cut it and started tasting it, but y'all know I'm in the middle of a trilogy right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see the bread on the side cam. And right here. It's absolutely beautiful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start slicing it, and then I'm gonna put it on a nice tray. I'm gonna take a picture of it, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. So I love you guys. I know y'all see the pound cake in the background, singing in the background. But I love you guys. Treat each other the way you want to be treated. Be kind. Spread lots of love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share these videos. Share them on Facebook. Share them wherever you can. Cut a clip down. Post it on Instagram. Post it for the gram. Post it for the gram. Post it for the gram. Let me chill out. Alright, so I'll see you guys back here in a couple of days. Remember, food is love, and I love you guys. Is my heart special? No, my heart. No. Yeah, my heart. Okay, I'll see you guys back here later.